Here's how you can go ahead and fix your phone's Wi-Fi if it's connected but has no internet. First, you need to go ahead and make sure that the internet is actually working by testing it on another device. If it works elsewhere, the problem is likely with your phone. So go ahead, tap on your Wi-Fi network name, go to Details, then go to Settings and tap on Forget, that is in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on OK to confirm and then reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and press the volume up button, then the power button, and continue holding the power button until you see the option of power off, restart, and emergency call. Go ahead, tap on restart and restart your entire device. After your phone restarts, you need to go to Settings, then go to your Wi-Fi or Connections, and then rejoin the network. See if it now works. If it still does not work, go to Setting and reset your entire phone, and hopefully that fixes your problem. You can also try restarting your router as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.